Hello, everybody. This is your daily real estate practice exam question. So let's jump into it. If a house depreciates at a rate of 2.25% a year for 4 years and was worth 132,800 at the beginning of that period, what is it worth today? So get your pen and paper out because I'm going to show you step by step how we're going to come to the answer. However, if you want to pause it right here, kind of do your own math, you can. You're more than welcome to. And I encourage you to do that so that you can find out where you went wrong and check it with everything that I have. Also, I'm going to put everything, all of my work, in the description as well. So let's just jump right into the explanation. So, what we're looking for in the end. So, our very last step in this formula is going to be taking the original price. Okay, we're going to take that original number of 132,800, and we're going to subtract the depreciation to come up with the value now. How do we get to the depreciation? It's actually fairly easy. So don't let this question. For some reason, depreciation questions always trick people up. Don't let it get to you. Okay. What I'll tell you is this. First, you have to assess how much the depreciation is. So you know that it was 2.25% over 4 years. That's the very first equation we're going to do to figure out what the total depreciation is over those 4 years, right? Then what we're going to do is we're going to take that number and multiply it by the original value. And we're going to get the total depreciation over the 4 years, okay? So hopefully you saw how we got to that. It's fairly easy. And then once we have that, we could plug that right into what we were trying to get to in the first place, which was 132,800, subtracting the depreciation over 4 years, which we calculated to be 11,952, and that would give us an answer of 120,848. And if we go back to our original problem, that would be D, 120,848. Guys, I hope this helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask down in the comments below. If not, hit like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.